Looks like a lot of blood is flowing nicely. And yes, 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 yes.
Aisha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you. Cause you do your own makeup, and you got your cake up. Body insane, hair is amazing. You got the glow, you're gonna make it. Skin is so soft, what do you take? Aisha Mariah.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. If you're not following me, get out of here. Go to my home page, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. Right now I'm at Bodyline Spa and I'm back with Nicole.
Hello.
And this is gonna be my first massage of the year. You dolls already know that I keep up with my post-op and my maintenance massages, so we're back at it again.
Yes.
And Nicole, can you tell us what we're gonna get into today?
So today she will go first to the shake machine that we have for the circulation, to lose weight, also stimulate your muscles. After that she will get a massage with the machine, the vacuum therapy. The vacuum therapy, it has everything to work for your body, for tightening, stimulate your muscles, or for your skin to tightening. And then after the massage, she will go to the pressure therapy machine that will help you to, it's like a lymphatic massage. So will be a good experience for her.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is get on this machine right here. It's the shaker. I call it the shaking machine.
Yeah, me
but
too.
It's gonna help me a lot. So let me see if I can place you guys. Perfect. So I have you guys up here so you can see exactly what the machine is doing to me.
We're gonna press the start, and then the speed is out to 50. You also can follow the instructions.
Yes.
There. You can do that. That helps.
Got it.
Also, you can do like that.
Go up and down.
Down. Stay a little, like 5 seconds, and then you
They
go
come
up.
back up. Okay.
That helps for your butt.
Okay.
Your leg.
Nice.
Yes. So enjoy.
Thank you. So I'm on this machine for 10 minutes. That was quick. So after that machine, my legs feel a little shaky. They don't itch, which is good. Now I'm gonna take my clothes off and get ready to get on my massage bed. So what is this?
That's the vacuum therapy machine.
Can you tell us the benefits?
The benefits is of this machine that help you to stimulate your muscles. That help you. It has, you know, that machine has everything. It has radio frequency, cavitation. That means that help you to break fat if you have fat. In case you don't have fat, that help you to tighten and shape your body.
Oh.
That help for the, you know, skin elasticity.
Okay.
Yeah, to stimulate that. It's like this, and this is like the same thing. But that machine is manual, the wood therapy. And this is with the, you know, machine.
Got
That's
it.
the only difference. But if I do this, I don't need to do that.
Got it.
It's the same thing.
So guys, this is like wood therapy, but it's not manual.
Maybe it doesn't have any effects. Maybe after the massage, maybe you can have like you know, people when they have a lot of fat, it's a little more painful.
Okay.
In your case, not. You can have, you know, the, I don't know how they call, maybe your skin red. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, redness.
Yes, redness. You know what? This is one of my favorite machines.
Oh really?
Yes.
Why? Tell me why.
Because you know, I feel that machine works perfect for people who want to shave, break fat. You know, cellulite. It has everything. The back. When I do that, I'm working your waist.
Oh.
Just to show you how, but you don't need more waist. Just do it like that.
Got it.
This is the wood therapy. That helps to move the fat like that. In shape. I call this kind of treatment like natural massage, no machine.
Natural massage.
Yeah, because it's more natural. We don't use machine, just the wood therapy.
And guys, this feels so good.
Yeah, that, you know, this help a lot for people who has pain in the back.
So you guys remember the first time Sonia tried to do cupping on my booty, we just couldn't do it, but we've gotten through about 5 minutes of this so far. Whew. Whew, child. These massages are no joke, but I keep telling you, they're so beneficial. Oh, is that the same one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, we're doing it. So now we're just manually massaging that out. Ooh, looks chunky. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay guys, so we're finished with the back portion of my massage, and now we have moved to the front. I've gained some weight from eating and of course stress.
You see, you have some fat.
Yeah.
You feel the pain more.
Yeah.
You eat a lot for
I did. Thanksgiving,
oh my
Christmas.
God. I see. Here. You know what can I do today?
What?
Instead you go to that machine, after I do the massage, I will do the carboxy.
Okay. We're gonna do some
In the
carboxy.
front.
Okay.
So for today, you don't go to the machine. When you come in, you go.
Okay.
Only carboxy. I'm gonna do a lot of carboxy here.
Okay.
It's needle.
Okay. We're gonna do some carboxy therapy today, guys.
Yeah, because you gain some fat. And the carboxy will help you to break this fat. It's gonna help you also for the
tightening,
the skin,
yeah,
tightening, a stretch mark.
Okay.
So that's for everything.
Okay, so we're gonna do carboxy today, guys. Carboxy is we're doing the same vacuum therapy that we did on my back and my legs, on my stomach, and then we're gonna finish with some carboxy and call it a day.
I was not expecting to do carboxy. So after I see this,
she wasn't expecting to have to do carboxy today, but when she sees something, she fixes it. So Nicole is basically snatching my waist to the waist guards right now.
start
Okay.
with the pressure therapy. You see how this is a body slimming suite with air pressure.
Okay.
So that means,
Pressotherapy, body slimming with air pressure.
yes. That means that helps also to lose weight.
Yes. So this is the full machine that I have on me. And I'm going to be in this for 30 minutes.
Yes.
30 to 40 minutes. Pressotherapy.
You will start to feel some parts.
Yes, it's squeezing.
Yeah.
They call me Megatron. I feel like Megatron right now. So it's squeezing me in and out. Ooh.
Yeah, one part first, then because
Yeah, it's squeezing you.
yeah, now
Squeezing
this
the
is
kid.
working, and then
Yeah.
you do this one, and then your arms like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of squeezing motion going on, which I really needed, especially for my arms because my arms got huge. Okay guys, Nicole's with her other client doing some laser, but we decided not to do carboxy therapy only because it's that time of the month and I was really bloated. Here I am thinking I gained a bunch of weight, forgetting that I got my period yesterday. So we did the pressotherapy and now I'm done. I feel refreshed. My skin looks amazing. Looks like a lot of blood is flowing nicely. And yes. Yes. Always remember that summer bodies are made in the winter time. So do everything that you have to do during the winter so that you're completely snatched for the summer. And this was just a maintenance massage, which means that I do this consistently. Repeated behavior brings you results. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Thank you dolls so much for watching. I'll be back next week Monday and I'll bring you dolls with me so you can see me get carboxy and some other treatments that I normally get to maintain my snatched physique. And I did not forget about my 1 year post-op video. There's just so much going on guys, but I'm gonna get to that ASAP. So thank you dolls so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye dolls.